Hello guys, in this video we will be working with a 2-parameter strategy, trading strategy, and we will optimize it using Excel spreadsheet that is available on our website for free. Go to advantagetrading.net, then hit blog, scroll down and look for trend following strategy based on RSI indicator. And this is actually a pretty cool article, so or blog post, if you like. Take a look at it. Maybe you will find it interesting. And this is actually what we will be doing later on. We will be working with 2 set of parameters and trying to find the most robust area for optimization. And if you scroll all the way down, click download, and here it is. Okay, let's go back to TradeStation. Okay, before we go any further, remember this video is for educational purposes only, and it's not intended as financial advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. So in the last video, I showed you 4 different bar types. One was time bars, and then we checked case bars, volume bars, and tick bars. And actually today we will be working with tick bars. 30, I randomly set it at 33,333 ticks for a mini contract. And what we will do is we'll run our strategy on out of sample. The out of sample is the period from September 2023 till beginning of December 2023, and then we'll check this strategy on out of sample, which is from December till mid or beginning of March 2024. Okay, so in one of the previous videos I showed you our N-bar high-low stop indicator and strategy, and we will be working with N-bar high-low stop today. So in the package we have available function that you can use on your own to create your strategy or your trailing stop, and the name of the indicator is advantage N-bar high-low stop function ext. If we go to Easylanguage, you will see the syntax of this function, advantage N-bar high-low stop ext. You choose length, lookback length. You choose either end of bar or intrabar, all positions, long, short, or all positions, or long only, short only. And using this indicator, I created a very simple strategy that uses two of these indicators. I'll remove the original one. So what I did is I set one length to 12. You can do it for, whatever number you like, and this this indicator will tell us the trend, and then the signal I have it preset on 2, and for end of bar, and we're trading all positions. So what this strategy does, first it checks the trend if the price is above the blue line, which is the longer setting of N bar high low stop, then we'll only take long positions. And so we'll be in long right here, and then once the signal line is broken, then we exit long. Here will be flat, and then enter long again and exit right here. For short positions, it's the opposite. So we will be trading right here. We will be only trading from this candle. We only will be trading short positions. So it will be short entry, short exit, short entry, short exit, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's keep this indicator and enable the strategy. So this strategy is actually showing some profit on our out of sample. But what we'll do is we'll try to find the most robust set of parameters. So we'll only be working with trend length and signal length. So what we'll do is go to strategies. First, I'm very strict about commission and slippage. So I set $5 per trade for commission. Position slippage $12.50. Meaning one tick of slippage is included. And then let's optimize this strategy. So let's start with signal. We'll start as low as 1 and go to 10, right? And increment will be 1. So we have 10 combinations. And then this will start at 8 and go to 30, and the increment will be 2. You probably noticed that my signal length and trend length, they overlap. I do it purposely just to make sure that what we see in the optimization matrix, that it includes the all the possibilities, and I'll show you how to deal with it later on. So let's run this optimization. While this is working, I'll show you how this file works. So there's 3 tabs. In the first tab, in A1 cell, all you have to do is to paste your results. I usually save it to a txt file and then copy it from there and paste it in this spreadsheet. Then we have a result. So this table will be filled out with our results. And then you can choose first direction. You can choose if you want to have statistic for longs, for shorts only, or for all positions. And then from this drop down list, you have all the possible metrics that are available in TradeStation. And this file will show it to you. And then there's another tab with 4-pack results. This is actually the main, well, maybe not the main, but the most powerful part of this file, because in one place you will be able to see 4 chosen metrics. So this will help us to choose the most robust combination of parameters. Let's check how TradeStation is doing. It's almost done. Okay, so we got our results. Let's check the optimization report. It's not bad because for 120 combinations we only got 16 that ended up with loss, and all the rest ended up with profit. Let's save this and go to n bar 1, save, and go to our spreadsheet. Okay, let's paste the results and see what happens. All right, so our first table got some numbers in it. Let's maybe make sure we okay. So right now we are checking direction for all trades, both long and short, and we're seeing the results for net profit. So first glance, we definitely don't like this area because it's either loss or small profit. We definitely like this area because it's the highest profit, but we'll work on it later on. Let's see if we can distinguish between long and short positions. We can't right now because the default settings in TradeStation are only the fields in your optimization report are showing only results for all positions. So what you have to do is go to report fields, and here you have the same metrics: net profit, percent profitable, etc., but for long trades and short trades. You can't add more than one at the time, so we'll have to add it manually, one by one. Okay, let's save the results again. And bar 1, long, short. So see right here, we had only for all. Right now we'll paste everything. So we got a lot more information that we can use. And right now we can distinguish between long and short positions. So the area that we liked, it's still the best for long positions, and for short positions it's also this one, but we have one more interesting area right here. Let's play with this one a little bit longer. Let's go back to all trades and check profit factor. Profit factor. Okay, so same thing. There's something that we don't like at the lowest levels of trend length. and we have interesting areas right here and also somewhere in here. All right, so right now we're using this self-formatting to show us the colors. The red one are low colors, the green ones are high ones. All right, so now we can move to the next tab and work with 4 metrics at the time. I definitely like profit factor, so I will keep profit factor. I like to know about percent profitable, so I'll keep this one as well. I like win and loss ratio being high. And there's a TS index right here, but let's change it to net profit maybe. You can use whatever metrics you like from all of these and check what's interesting for you. Okay, one more thing before we go any further. Let's take a look at the number of trades, because this is a number of trades is a good filter of robustness. If you have 10, 15 trades or low numbers of trades, you have a higher chance of your strategy being overfit to the existing data. Total trades right here. All right, so with signal length being 1, we have over 100 trades. Right here we have 60s, 50s, 40s. I would definitely not go below 30 with our trades. So we'll remember this later on. And we put less value, we will put less weight to the results from the left side of our table. Okay, so now we have a profit factor, percent profitable, win-loss ratio, and net profit. Now the cool thing is you can save results and you put the name. I will put opt1, but you can put the date, you can put the whatever you like. And what we have a screenshot right here in the sheet opt1 of 4-pack results. Let's work with this a little bit more. I'll do some copying and pasting right now. All right. What we see right now is a 2-dimensional table. But the cool thing about this kind of data is you can visualize it on a 3D chart. You choose surface chart, click OK. Let's just adjust the y-axis. Let's rotate this chart the other way around. Okay, so what you would like to, or what I like of doing is I like to avoid definitely avoid the valleys, right? You want to be on the ridge, but you want to be on a ridge or a plateau, but not on a single peak that is surrounded by valleys. The single peaks, they are most likely to be a random result. Okay, so now we understand what's going to happen later on, and let's maybe check what's going on with percent profitable. Let's rotate this chart. So there's definitely a ridge right here. There's one plateau right here. There's another one right here. And this is what we are seeing, right? There's one thing, one and one. So right now we have 4 metrics that we want to consider in looking for the best set of parameters: profit factor, percent profitable, net profit, and win-loss ratio. Remember the results of total trades. We decided that less than 20 or 30 trades is not enough to optimize a strategy, because it's too risky. So definitely I would let's set it at 25 maybe, right? More or less. So we'll get rid of this area from our scope of work. Actually, let's make it easier. We definitely don't like this, right? We don't like it. Don't like this. Don't like this. Don't like this. And we don't like this because it's too few trades. Okay, so let's go to 3D chart again. We want, but let's add some X and Y axis. So copy this right here and copy this right here. Let's make it larger. Okay. So we definitely see a ridge from 2 and 3 signal length, right? Right here. For percent profitable, it's much better to choose 2 over 3. For profit, it's actually a little bit higher for 2 and 3. And win-loss ratio, we're on a plateau kinda right here, but it's better to go 3/2. Let's make a choice. Profit factor, it's basically the same or really close, 2 and 3, but the percent profitable is much higher. It's almost 50% from 45%. So I would say let's keep 2. So now we have our signal length 2. Right now we have to choose a trend length. So for trend, let's rotate these charts a little bit. Okay, so we have a one plateau between 20 and 18 for a trend, or between 24 and 26. That's for profit factor. For percent profitable, 24-26 area is much better than 18-20. For net profit, it's a little bit better for 24-26, and then win-loss ratio, it's a little bit better for 24-26. So I would say if we want to be between 24 and 26, why don't we go 25? So 25 will be trend, and signal will be 2. Let's check the results on TradeStation. We don't actually have it in our optimization report because we only checked even numbers. We started from 8 and then went up by 2, 8, 10, 12. So we don't have 25. So let's manually change the it's 25 and 2. Let's check if this is good. Okay, this is all good. I like charts. So these are the results for 25 for trend length and 2 for signal length. 25 and 2. Okay, let's zoom in. So what is this actually telling us? The trend length being at 25 is rather high, rather large. So I guess our optimization tells us to be pretty conservative on trend, but be very aggressive on signals. Let's take a look if this approach will work on out of sample. Let's check. 25, 2, sorry, 2. And properties, we have all the slippage, commission, everything's okay. And the moment of truth. It's not great, but it's decent. The drawdown from the beginning was 3,000 and we ended up at 6,000, so double the drawdown. The high water mark was a little over 9,000. Let's check the statistics. So the profit was definitely made from long trades, and short trades ended up with loss. We've had 128 trades. That's a lot. That's a pretty good sample size, and more than half of the trades, of the long trades, were profitable, and only a third of a short trades were profitable. But overall, we're close to 44% profitability. And if you take a look at this chart, right, it's pretty obvious uptrend. So trading short positions in such a strong uptrend is definitely not a good idea, but we survived thanks to the profit from long positions. Okay, let's do one more robustness check. Right now we were at 33,333 ticks. Let's change this a little bit. First day. Let's go to 34,333 and see what happens. Alright, profit. Let's take a look at the chart. The drawdown was a bit deeper than previously, but we still ended up with profit. So let's go the other way. We went up, so let's go to 32,000. Okay, we have our results. Let's take a look. Oh, it's better. So there was only a drawdown at the beginning, then a little dip halfway through, and the profit was over 10,000. Still, it was mostly coming from long trades, but the short trades, the short trades generated loss, but it wasn't as bad as the two previous ones. So I would say that we did pretty good job optimizing this strategy. Let's go back to our spreadsheet. I showed you just one way of doing it. You can give different weights to different metrics. You can calculate the average of the neighbors. So let's say, sorry, right here. So if this is our intersection 2 and 24, 26. So let's say we're right here. So you can calculate average from the main intersection. So the right here you have 1.7. If we calculate the average, it's right here, it's 1.5. That's another approach. I like the visual approach with 3D chart as well. It's pretty simple, and it's nice to work with. you can filter, you can filter it by the number of trades, like I did. Your options are, well, maybe not limitless, but there's definitely some different options to work with. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember that you can download this file from our website. Go to advantagetrading.net. We have in this blog section, we have more interesting stuff about trading, about volatility, about time bars, range bars, everything. There's definitely some good reads. You check the TradeStation indicators, TradeStation strategies. There's a trailing lines enhanced strategy that is actually built well, maybe not built for this optimization file, but it's built around 2 trailing stops, so you can definitely use the spreadsheet that I'm showing you today. And hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel, or we'll try to bring some more interesting videos, interesting stuff. Remember, this was for educational purposes only, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Stay safe, happy trading, stay sharp, and till next time. Thank you.